Hello everybody, I'm here to present to you a new FILA shoe that is called FILA TOGA. It's here in Brazil, in Curitiba. I bought here in Curitiba, Brazil, in Ventura Shopping, in a store called 041, here in Total Shopping Mall in Curitiba. And this is the FILA TOGA. FILA TOGA is a very beautiful, well done, shoe of FILA that is sold here in Brazil. I bought here in the city of Curitiba, the capital of Paraná. And here you can see that this shoe is very beautiful. It's very well done. It's perfect. All this. Take a look inside of it because it has a lot of. How can I say? It's very beautiful here. You can see. It's one of the best shoes, the most beautiful shoes that I've seen ever. So I like it a lot because FILA design is very, very beautiful. It's very, very well done, and it's not the quality is very high. Take a look at this. It was not expensive. It was about 270 reals, so it was cheap. And take a look at this other pair of this shoe. It's very, very stylish. This is the FILA TOGA. As you can see here, for all of the lovers of the design of FILA, you can see this. So very, very beautiful. The design is very, very beautiful. Really, really beautiful. It's called FILA TOGA, and it's Evo and a lot of let me see, because it's made in Brazil. It's made in Brazil, but it's very well done. As you can see here, it's a little the color here. I love this color. It's a white with this color that is very beautiful. The details are very beautiful in this. Take a look at this inside. Details are very beautiful in FILA TOGA. I mean this is. I think this is one of the best, the most beautiful shoes of FILA. And here it is. Take a look at this. So this was my review of the FILA TOGA. I hope you enjoy it, and subscribe to my channel, please.